guys, Jake here, and today I'm going to be unboxing and maybe doing a mini review of the new Apple AirTags. So let's jump into it. Alright, so I just picked up the pack of 4 AirTags as well as 1 leather keyring at my local Apple store. I only picked up 1 leather keyring of the official Apple one because they're really expensive. This was $35, which is actually more than the $29 AirTags. But anyway, I thought it looked cool, so I decided to pick one up. Okay, so jumping right into it, as you can see, we do have the pack of 4. And so we'll jump right into it here. So it looks like there's a little green tab here at the bottom. So I'll peel that. And then I think this should open up, supposedly. Yep, here we go. So then this opens. I like it's all made out of paper, no plastic. Then we have the AirTag package along with some paperwork. Of which we can toss the paperwork off to the side, and now we have the actual AirTags. So if we open it up, this is the pack of 4. So all the way on the left it just says to update your iOS device on iOS or iPadOS to the latest 14.5 version, and then over here it just says pull the tab when you're ready to use and put it next to your iPhone. So here are the actual AirTags. So I saw one at the store when I was there, but I didn't really touch it or get up super close to it. So I'm excited to see these. So I'll just pull all 4 of them out. And then I guess we can just throw this off to the side. So we'll do that. And then it has this little pull tab on the back, right here. And so if we just pull that back, then it shows the Apple logo in the more glossy finish, and then we pull it all the way around. Again, the glossy white. I would have wished that they kind of made a matte version of it, but Apple likes the glossy finishes, so I'm not really surprised. And then I'll pull the tab out, but I think what we'll do is we'll get the microphone in real close so you guys can hear the noise. So we'll put this up to the camera here and move the microphone over. And so I will just pull the tab and so you guys could hear that, made that little jingling noise. And so now I'll take my phone, and then it says just put it up next to the AirTag. I'll put a screen recording up so you guys can see. Okay, so now I'm screen recording, and you guys can see it says the AirTag animation. So here's the AirTag. So I'll just press on connect, and it says name the AirTag. So this is going to be the one for my keys. So I'll just press on continue. And I'll have to blur out the number and email, but it just says register your email and number associated. So I'll just press on continue, and so then it just names it Jake's Keys. Okay, so now it's all set up. It just went to the next screen, so it says Jake's Keys are with you. So I can do view and find my app. And so I'll just press on continue since I just updated it. So if I want to play the sound, there's a little blue button. So then you can tap. So now it's beeping. So that's what the playing sound looks like. And then if I do the find nearby, as you guys can see on my thing, so it turns green. It's going to be on the side of the screen here. And so it says that it's right here. If I move it away, as you can see, it's counting up. If I move it towards the camera, it says 0.8 feet. Then if I bring it closer, it says it's here. So this is pretty cool. Notifications, you can turn it on when it is found, and you can also enable lost mode. And so it'll notify me when it is found. If I do continue, I can type in my phone number. So it says this item has been lost, please call me, or I can enter in another message, I think, as well. Okay, so since I am in close proximity of it, it won't let me turn on the notify when found because I actually am right next to it. So I'm not going to turn on lost mode right now. Maybe I'll do it later in the video, but we'll have to see, just because I am right next to it. And so that's pretty much all that's in the AirTag. So it shows me the battery as well. So I think what I'll do is now is we'll take this leather key ring and we'll get to unboxing it. Alright, so now I got the leather loop key ring as well. The box looks pretty similar, so if we flip it over we can see that green tab once again. So I'll see if I can get under that. There we go. And so you just pull the tab, throw that off to the side, and then once again reach out under it. And so there is the leather loop. Comes with the key ring as well. And so I think we just pull it right out, and then we can open it up like this, and they put a little piece of plastic over it, and then I believe this only goes in one way, which is good. So I believe it's this way. This just snaps in, and you got your keychain. Let's see what happens if you do try to put it in the other way. I believe because it's fit to like the back part. So I believe this, alright, so this actually does go, I think this goes in, yeah, this does actually go in both ways. I had thought that I had read that it only goes in one way. Alright, so you can decide which way you do want to put it in. I think I'll probably leave it like this, because I like this. So, yeah, and then on the key ring it says, assembled in China, and I believe it will probably say designed in California by Apple as well. Then if you guys can see on the back right here where the Apple logo is, this is actually where the battery is housed. So I believe if you just push in and turn it is what it says. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this, but it says if you push in and turn, there we go. As I push in and turn it, now if I take this off, you can see it's the CR2032 battery in there from Panasonic. They chose, I think you can put in any brand as long as it is the CR2032. And then I think it should ding when you put the cover back on. So I think just like this, and then just turn it, and I should be all set. Something I am going to try is trying to put one of these on my dog's collar. So maybe we can track my dog if she's running about, just in case. She doesn't usually run away, but just in case, might as well have a tracker on her so that way we always know where she is. Another cool feature of the AirTags is that if someone finds your lost AirTag once you put it in lost mode, and someone finds it, even if they have an Android phone, they can scan the tag using the NFC reader on their phone, assuming that they have one, which most phones nowadays do. And so then it will actually bring them to a web page on Apple's website where it will say your number and like that you lost your tag, and so then they can call you and safely return it. Another cool feature is that if someone slips one of these into your bag to try to track you without you knowing, your phone will actually pop up and say that there's an AirTag following you or something like that. Do you want to scan it and see who it belongs to, blah blah blah, if you're there for like longer than 15 minutes and it's like right next to you, which can also be useful for finding someone's tag. If they accidentally leave their bag in your car, it'll notify you after a couple of minutes and say there's an AirTag following you, so you can text your friend and be like, you forgot your bag in my car. So that's another cool feature. The one downside about these is that if you actually look at the bottom here, I don't know if you guys are able to see this, if I can focus this or not, but it actually is it smudges very easily. So if you're hoping that these would stay clean, that's not really going to happen. So once again, for the pricing of these, it is, I believe, $29 for one AirTag, $99 for a pack of 4 AirTags, and then I believe this leather keyring was $35, and I believe the loop ones, the leather ones, are I think they're like $49. They also make silicone ones as well, not out of leather, and I believe those are less expensive, but I don't think they make a silicone keychain, unfortunately. But overall, this quality of this keychain is very nice. It's real leather, and so I'm very happy with it. So, do I recommend that you go and pick up these AirTags? If you have a little bit of extra money to spend, or you want to get a holiday gift for someone, I would definitely say these are a great gift. to get someone. Since they are $29, it's not too expensive, which I'm happy with. This is a good price, even for Apple. This is a good price to put them at. So I think this could be a great gift for someone. I know Mother's Day is coming up, so if you want to get your mom one of these, I would definitely recommend picking one of these up. If you are going to pick up accessories, do not pick up the accessories from Apple. They're high quality and they're nice, but they're very expensive. So if you're going to get more than one, which since I got 4 AirTags, I'm not going to end up picking up the accessories from Apple. But I would definitely recommend these, and I do think they have some really cool features in them. If you haven't already, please make sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at thetechprofJB. If you want to join our community, head over to thetechprofessor.net. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit that thumbs up button, as well as the subscribe button and that little bell notification icon right next to that. And I'm Jake, the Tech Professor, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.